So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you string concatenation and escape sequences. So let's start off with string concatenation. And what that means is you're adding two strings together. So this might be useful if you have an application that takes in a person's name and then says hello, whatever that person's name was. So first we have to declare a string variable. String, and then we have to give it a name. Let's give it name S. And we'll set it equal to is, and then end that with a semicolon. Bob, we'll say, and then we'll get that, this is print out on the screen, so we'll go here. So the way we add strings together is we go S plus D. Pretty simple. And what this will print out, oops, typo there, and we'll okay, so it will print out, hi, my name is Bob, so it works perfectly. Also, you don't have to add them together inside of the system.outPrint. You can declare a variable and set it equal to S plus B. Or D, I mean, yeah. So S plus D, and you can print out F in here instead, and you'll have the same effect. So that's how you concatenate strings. And you can concatenate more than two strings together. You could like do like S plus. You can concatenate as many as you want together. And I'll print out that's a strange array of text. So the next thing I'll show you is escape sequences. So escape sequences are for characters that are already used by Java for a purpose, like these. If we wanted to use quotation marks in our strings, we couldn't just go like this. That wouldn't work. It would give us an error. But if we wanted to do that, we'd just do a backslash behind it, and backslash behind the other one, and that will now allow us to put quotation marks in there. Also, if you want to do a tab or something like this, do backslash T, or I think it's T backslash, and it will do a tab for you. So you compile that, and you run it, and nope, I think I had it right the first time. There we go. Okay, there we go. So it did a tab for us. And also backslashes, can't just do a backslash. So if you want to do a backslash, you have to do it 2 times, and that will print out 1 backslash for you. And then also, there's another thing for doing new lines. If you do backslash n and then that, it will print out whatever is after it onto a new line. So that is it for escape sequences. But also another thing is, instead of backslash n, you can also do print ln. And so, well, if we did this, like, okay, so if we do this, I'll show you this first. Oh, no. Okay, so what it's doing is it's printing these out on the same line, but since that, well, that's what it should be, but there's an escape sequence in there. So if we get rid of that, and we like this, those are on the same line. But another way, instead of doing backslash n, is to do, instead of print, you can do print ln. And it has the same effect. But those are the escape sequences, and that's how you concatenate strings. And I think next time I'll do a tutorial on for loops, and we will get to use concatenation in that program, and println too, maybe. So that's it for this video, and goodbye. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of these videos, and if you like watching them.